have visual contact on the sonar.
All right, lowering the ROV now. Keep it steady.
Okay, we are clear for deployment. Take it slow.
Roger that. Descending now.
Deep beneath the waves, the secrets of the Titanic await. The team deploys the latest technology in this epic search.
All right, ease it into the water column. Watch the current shear.
Copy that. Deploying to the first waypoint now.
The search for the Titanic requires the most advanced technology on Earth.
All right, team, we are clear for launch. Take her down slowly.
Copy that. Descending to target depth.
Bridge, deck confirms ROV is clear. Traversing outboard. Lower to 5 meters above the waterline and hold.
We have the ROV secured, ready for launch.
Copy. Deck.
Proceed with lowering to the waterline.
Okay, swing it over the side. We are clear for launch.
Roger. Moving to the drop zone.
Deep ocean exploration is a race against time and the elements. Today, we begin the search.
All systems go, Doctor. The ROV is ready for deployment.
Excellent. Let's see what it finds down there.
Okay, bring her down another 10 meters.
Copy that. Descending to launch depth. Systems check is green.
We are clear for launch, engineer.
Confirmed, Doctor. Bridge, we are ready to deploy the ROV.
Status on the deployment, Doctor.
Cables are secure. We are clear for launch.
Lower the vehicle.
The Argus begins its descent into the cold, dark waters of the North Atlantic, searching for the legendary Titanic.
Wait, I'm seeing something on the lower array.
Cross-reference the bathymetry. That's not rock.
There it is, grid reference G12. Zoom in on that signature.
Confirmed, Doctor. Signal looks strong.
Wait, hold position. Zoom in on sector Gamma 7.
I see it. The resolution is improving.
Captain, look at this return. Bearing 049er. It's strong.
Zoom in and verify the data stream.
That could be it. The resolution just sharpened. Look at that structure.
It's consistent with the target profile. Let's sweep again.
There it is, dead center on the grid.
Confirming depth reading now. It looks solid.
Bridge, confirm contact. We have a significant return on the lower array, matching target profile. Recommend immediate investigation.
Bridge, new contact. Possible structure.
Wait, zoom in on that sweep. We found it.
Wait, there it is. Meridian cluster, bearing 180.
I see it. Let's hold position and verify the contact. Wait, pause the sweep. I think we have something at 400 meters.
Enhance the gain on that contact. Let's get a visual confirmation.
There. Did you see that sweep? Yes.
That's it. We found her.
There it is, right on the edge of the sweep. Let's get a tighter look at that anomaly.
Stop the sweep right there. We have a strong return at 3,000 meters.
I see it. That is definitely anomalous. Prepare for deployment.
The lights pierced the abyssal darkness, revealing at last the fragmented hull of the RMS Titanic.
Okay, we are officially viewing the bow section. The corrosion is heavy. Unbelievable structure here.
My God, look at the scale of that. It just keeps going.
The impact damage is incredible.
The discovery of the wreck revealed the true extent of the disaster. The bow section, though recognizable, is severely compromised. The scale of the disaster is breathtaking. Decades of corrosion have transformed the mighty liner into this fragmented ruin.
The beams of the ROV cut through the crushing darkness, revealing at last the legendary wreck of the RMS Titanic.
The devastating impact is clear. The Titanic, once thought unsinkable, lies fragmented on the abyssal plain.
Here she is.
The ROV lights cut through the deep-sea snow, illuminating the final resting place of the RMS Titanic.
The crushing pressure of the deep Atlantic has taken its toll. The iconic vessel is now a heavily corroded, fragmented ruin.
The deep-sea lights reveal a scene of catastrophic beauty. The iconic bow, now heavily... The beams cut through the abyssal darkness, revealing the bow section, fragmented and heavily encrusted with the signature rusticles.
Emerging from the darkness, the catastrophic damage is clear. The legendary liner rests.
Decades of deep-sea currents have etched away at the once mighty hull, revealing the true scale of the disaster.
Here we see the devastating effects of time and pressure on the once mighty hull. The fragmentation is stark.
We approach the iconic bow, still recognizable despite the crushing depths. The mission here is not salvage.
Decades of corrosion have transformed the once proud hull into these iconic rusticles, a stark reminder of the Atlantic's unforgiving grip.
12,500 feet below the surface, the Titanic surrenders to the crushing pressure and the relentless march of time. Decades of decay have transformed the wreck, yet glimpses of its former splendor remain scattered across the seabed.
Decades of decay have transformed the grand vessel into this fragile ecosystem of iron and rusticle.
The deep Atlantic seabed holds the remains of the Titanic.
Our mission here is clear: to document the decay and preserve the memory of the artifacts scattered across this solemn seabed. Our mission here is clear: to document the decay and preserve the memory of the artifacts scattered across this solemn seabed. Using the latest in ROV technology, the team meticulously surveys the debris field, cataloging artifacts untouched for a century.
Here, 2.5 miles beneath the surface, the great ship lies fragmented, slowly succumbing to the deep ocean currents.
Using the ROV, the team can meticulously document the decay of this historic vessel, 4 kilometers beneath the waves.
The deep Atlantic seabed holds the fragmented remains of the Titanic, a testament to the ocean's unforgiving power. Decades of deep-sea currents and the relentless march of the halominous bacteria have transformed the once proud liner into these epic ruins.
The RMS Titanic, resting nearly 4,000 meters below the surface, is slowly succumbing to the deep.
The bow section, still recognizable, is covered in these orange formations, known as rusticles, evidence of the slow decay.
Resting nearly 2.5 miles below the surface, the RMS Titanic can slow to decay.
Lying nearly 4 kilometers beneath the surface, the Titanic continues to surrender her secrets to the deep ocean's crushing embrace. After a century beneath the waves, the great liner is slowly but surely transforming, becoming one with the deep seabed.
Okay, bring the manipulator arm up slowly. Let's get a closer look at that brass fitting.
Easy now.
Decades of deep-sea currents have scattered the artifacts across the seabed, preserving a moment frozen in time. After 80 years beneath the waves, the ship finally begins its long journey home.
Control, we have lift off the bottom.
Roger that. Maintain ascent speed. Watch the starboard rigging.
Pressure is spiking on cable 3. Ease the tension, slowly. Maintain course.
With immense tension on the cables, the deep sea cranes.
She's moving. Keep the ascent rate steady.
Copy. Command. We are showing heavy sediment loss on the starboard side.
We have confirmation of lift. Proceed with ascent very slowly.
Roger that. Pressure levels holding steady.
Control, this is Recovery 1. We have lift. The section is clearing the abyssal plain.
Keep the ascent rate steady. We have a debris field at 20 meters.
Copy that. Increasing power to the forward thrusters.
The recovery operation is complex, relying on immense power to lift these historic artifacts from the seabed.
Maintain ascent rate. Watch the stress indicators on the forward section.
The immense pressure of the deep ocean makes every movement a gamble. Yet,
We are clear of the bottom.
Significant sediment plume detected.
We have a major shift on the starboard side.
I see it.
Slow the ascent immediately. Stabilize the load.
Easy now. Steady as she goes. We have major stress on cable 3.
Acknowledged. Easing tension slightly.
All right, team. Slow and steady. We are clear of the speed of wind as intake. Keep the ascent rate stable.
We need to align section Gamma 12 with the main strut. The tolerance is 0.5 millimeter.
Coordinates locked in, engineer. Moving the crane now.
Keep the pressure steady on sector 4.
Reading stable temperatures here.
All right, moving the next plate into position now.
Crane approaching drop point, Charlie.
Roger that. Secure the area below.
Welding team, resume sequence Alpha.
All right, team, bring it down 5 meters. Easy now, watch the starboard side clearance.
The structural integrity scan looks good. We are clear for the next phase.
Confirmed. Moving the starboard section into position now.
This monumental effort represents the pinnacle of marine engineering.
Hold the lift on plate 3. We have an alignment issue on the lower strut.
Copy that. Adjusting trajectory now.
According to the schematics, this section requires the new alloy plates.
Agreed. The weld penetration looks good, but monitor the heat-affected zone closely.
The stress analysis on frame 42 looks good.
All right, this seam should hold for another century then.
The structural integrity readings are optimal on Section 4.
Excellent. The plating alignment is perfect.
The stress loads are higher than projected near the expansion joint.
Agreed. We need to increase the reinforcement along this section and update the robotic schematic.
And so she returns. The RMS Titanic, reborn.
Against all odds, the great liner returns to the Atlantic. This voyage proves
Against all odds, the ship of dreams sails once more, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance.
A century later, the dream is realized. The Queen of the Ocean returns home, stronger and more luxurious than ever before.